Hi there, second graders. My name is Mrs. Russell, and I am a second grade teacher at L. Behrman Elementary. And today I'm going to do Number Corner with you. So let's get started. Let's read today's date first. Today is Wednesday, April 15th, 2020. And if we look at the date in words, we would write Wednesday, comma, April 15th, comma, 2020, and with numbers that would be 4-15-20. Now let's go back and take a look at our calendar markers for the day. Yesterday we had 4 green beans on a plate. So did you make a prediction as to what our card might be today for the 15th? What might we see on card 15? Well, let's take a look. Card 15, if we flip over, we see 3 green beans and 1 carrot. Interesting. One of the green beans went away. Let's go to our observation chart and fill in the first 3 columns for today's marker. So the first column, if we look, is the date. Today is 4-15. And if we look back at card 15, we see a set. Yesterday we had a set of vegetables. Today we also have a set. So we will write set. And then our middle column, or our third column, says how many parts are items. So if we look back to card 15, and I'll zoom in so we can get a better look, card 15 has how many green beans? I see 3 green beans and 1 carrot. Okay, we'll leave the observation column empty for now. We'll fill that out tomorrow to catch that up. But let's go back and see if we can make any predictions for tomorrow. So take some time to predict what might we see on card 16 tomorrow. Tomorrow is Thursday. Are your prediction ready? Keep that in mind and we'll talk about tomorrow's card in the next video. So now before you go, I want to do something different. I have a mystery riddle for you guys. So I'm going to read this riddle and I will leave it up on the screen. If it goes too fast, feel free to pause the video. But go ahead and read this riddle with me, and then tomorrow I'm going to tell you the answer to see if you got it right. So here's the riddle. I am less than 10 dimes plus 2 nickels. So think about 10 dimes plus 2 nickels. But more than 10 dimes plus 1 nickel. My ones digit is 2 plus 5. So in the ones digit, or the ones place, that number is 2 plus 5. What number am I? So check back tomorrow to see if you got that right. Good luck. I'll see you all tomorrow. Bye.